Can you think of another cartoon character that has a history like Disney's Oswald the Lucky Rabbit? Let me know in the comments. It was 1927, and the head of Universal Pictures Animation Division, Charles Mintz, asked Walt Disney to come up with a new character for Universal to distribute to theaters. Instead of competing with the already crowded market of cartoon cats, Walt and his right-hand man, Ub Iwerks, came up with Oswald the Lucky Rabbit. Unfortunately, the first Oswald cartoon they produced, Poor Papa, was so bad Universal refused to take it. Mintz complained that version of Oswald was too old and slow-looking. Walt and Iwerks went back to the drawing board, retooling the rabbit, and subsequent Oswald shorts were a hit. It looked as though Oswald would be Disney's ticket to success. In fact, Oswald became the very first character created by Walt to receive his own merchandising deals, including an Oswald stencil set, character buttons, and chocolate-covered marshmallow candy bars. But after creating 26 cartoons with the Lucky Rabbit, Walt's luck ran out when Universal took control of the Oswald character away from Disney, along with many of Walt's best animators. Universal animator Walter Lantz retooled Oswald's look, borrowing its seams from Mickey Mouse. Oswald now sported white gloves, like Mickey, shoes, like Mickey, and pants with buttons on the front, like Mickey's. He also had more Mickey-like features and proportions. Over the next 10 years or so, Universal went on to produce over 100 cartoons featuring Oswald, changing Oswald's look several more times before he faded into history. In fact, before they were through, Oswald was completely unrecognizable from that Disney version. I'll have more on Oswald coming up. In the meantime, go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for a full video on 3 versions of Oswald and hundreds of other drawing lessons.